Now that you've been shopping for a while, you've probably ran across a few homes out there that are less than perfect. And I just thought I would run down the list of what kind of loans are needed for different conditions of homes. So, if you are pre approved on an FHA loan, you're going to be more restricted on the condition of the house. So, the condition of the house needs to be close to turnkey, maybe with a few slight blemishes. However, FHA is not a home loan that allows for a fixer upper. If you have any questions about whether or not that house is going to pass for your type of loan, highly recommend that you send me the listing so that we can vet it out for you. But VA is a lot like FHA, very strict, and is going to have less tolerance for any type of homes that need repair. And then conventional loans, I will say, have a little bit more flexibility, and appraisals on conventional loans are less strict than an FHA loan. And you might be able to get away with a light fixer upper. I do encourage you, if there's any question about how, how the loan is going to go on the condition of the home and whether or not that's going to be a problem, I highly recommend you send me that listing to review. And then let's just say you're like, I found the perfect home and it is a fixer upper. So we do have renovation loans and they are very affordable. And they are very good for somebody who wants to buy a fixer upper. However, they are not in the type of loan that you can get down payment assistance on. So if you have down payment assistance and you want to buy a fixer upper, that's not going to work with a renovation loan. If you have a down payment, though, or if you have access to getting a gift from a family member or even borrowing against your 401k, then absolutely a renovation loan could be something we could look into. It would be a completely different qualification, though, and it is based on the scope of the work that needs to be done to the house and the house itself and what that house is going to be valued at after the repairs have been completed. So if you have any questions on that, please, I encourage you, you can either text me 916-705-2557. You can call me or email me at amy.debusk@apmortgage.com.